Bonjour, the French massage here. We are going to learn the difference between the verbs supporter and soutenir. Supporter and soutenir. Supporter doesn't mean to support someone. Okay, so in French, when you say je te supporte, supporter here means that you are with a person, you are on a person's side, right? Even if the person does something that is very wrong, you are still on that person's side. So it's like being on a person's side. Et je te supporte dans ce cas, ok? Je te supporte, ça veut dire je suis là pour toi, ok? Je suis à tes côtés. But when you say soutenir, okay, merci beaucoup pour ton soutien, meaning that you've provided moral support or financial support or any kind of support to the person. So here is a soutenir, rather that is to support someone, okay, to support someone financially, emotionally, anythingly, okay. So that's the meaning of soutenir. So soutenir, je soutiens, ok? Je te soutiens financièrement ou bien moralement, quelque chose comme ça. Donc, never make that mistake of using supporter au lieu de soutenir. Ok? Je te supporte. I'm on your side on a particular argument or in a case or in a situation, right? But soutenir is by supporting the person, okay? Either financially, morally, physically, or whatever. Merci beaucoup. Please follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at the French Master GH. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
The French Master GH. The French Master GH. The French Master GH. The French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.